AP Stats Quideo number 4, basic question. Census Bureau reports that a household spends an average of 31% of their total spending on housing. A home builders association in Cleveland believes that this average is lower in their area. The interview sample of 40 households in the Cleveland metropolitan area learn what percentage of their spending goes toward housing. Take to be the mean percent of spending devoted to housing among all Cleveland households. We want to test the hypothesis. The population standard deviation is 9.6%. What is the sampling distribution of the mean percent that the sample spends on housing? The null hypothesis is if the null hypothesis is true. Sketch a density curve of the sampling distribution. Here we have the density curve and we have the mean percent, which is 31. And for B it says, suppose that the study finds X 32% for the 40 households. Mark this point on your axis, and then suppose that this study results is 27.6. Mark this on your axis referring to your sketch, and explain the simple language why one result is good average Cleveland spending on households less than 31, whereas the other result is not. Here is it placed on the density curve, and then it is good evidence because 27.6% is 2 standard deviations away, which is significant, while 30.2 is less than a standard deviation away. And for C it says shade the area under the curve that gives the p-value for the rest of the result. And there we just made the shade there.